Go! Get him another one ready. Get him another one ready. Back-to-back shotgun! Back-to-back shotgun!
Don't worry.
Come on! If you don't shotgun that, the Patriots are going to lose. Oh, perfect. They'll do it.
You're drinking that shit.
Start the IV and we'll do it here.
Jesus Christ, man. All right.
Whatever, if you throw up now, then you've got drink the rest of the night.
Hey, do it for you guys. Just for you guys.
Do it out loud.
Man, I was on number 10. Like, I was in one ahead this entire
Just
time.
scream your loyalty. Oh, now you're fucked. Scream your loyalty.
If you I look for a jet fan every once in a while, you get one of those assholes that come in the game.
That's one thing Dolphins and Patriots fans can
And probably the rest of America.
Yeah.
Shirt face. Get it? Shirt face. Shirt face. Shirt is just an extension of my face.
I got half a beer here.
You really think about it, too?
You're about to surpass me.
Are you? Is that number 11?
You gotta follow.
I'm working on it. I just don't want to throw up.
I can't do more than then I start getting on
your way in. Like I said, if you throw up, you got more room for more beer. No, you go for another 8 hours.
You can't too? Fuck yeah.
Whatever. It's Monday at Miami. Fuck, I'll work tomorrow. You don't.
Only 8 o'clock.
We're missing speed.
Come on, Jake. This is going online. Make it good.
You're about half a beer behind me.
Tell them off.
How come you keep saying this when I sense like
To the face! Hold it in now! Hold it!
That's your birthday?
Yeah.
You made it.
I think he has 11. I think he has 11.
One
Yeah, I got one more.
1 hour. Fuck, man. I didn't hurry.